So people say all the time that they could not do rescue because it's too sad, it makes their heart hurt. But you know what? You think this doesn't make our heart hurt? Look at this. Look at this. This girl is less than 8 months old, and she had an owner. She was not a stray. I don't know how on God's green earth you allow a dog to get in this bad a shape that quickly. And I just, I have to focus on the care of the dog because if I focus on the person, I will be in jail. So, anyway, I'm taking her back to the shelter. She already has been skin scraped. This is one right here. She's not contagious, by the way. And she's young and she's sweet and she will be cared for. She'll know that she's loved. She will start feeling better every single day, and we will see to it that she gets the home that she deserved to begin with, because God knows that's not the home that she started out with. Show her to you.